Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about our trading week. I want to talk about all the trades that I've shared with everybody for free in my Telegram channel. So if you're not inside yet, make sure to join. You can find the link in the description down below, and you can always drop me a message if you need help or guidance, or if you're looking for strategy or something like that. Alright? So this week was pretty tough, guys. I took a couple of losses this week, especially at the beginning of the week. The market was slicing up and down, not really moving in my favor, and it was not so easy this week. But I'm pretty happy that we catched a lovely runner yesterday. Even if it was playing with my patience, like it was really tough to watch that trade all the time, because I was loaded up with a pretty big position size, because I wanted to get rid of the losses that week, and so I played it a little bit bigger that time, and it was pretty tough mentally, but we managed to get the runner that we needed to end the week with a beautiful profit. Overall, I'm up more than 70,000 for this month so far, and we still have a little bit of time. I mean, we are 50% through the month. We still have 2 trading weeks, and let's see if we can make another 30 or 40,000. That would be amazing, or even more than that would be lovely. Let's see. For now I'm up 7% for this month. Last month we smashed the 20% target. Current month I'm up around 7% now, so still 13 to go for the target. Let's see if we can hit it this month. Maybe we are going to have a lovely winning streak. Who knows? We never know. But anyways, this week was pretty tough, and we are going to talk about the trades for this week. Alright, so let's get into the charts and let's get it cracking. And by the way, my Wrangler, the Jeep, is working again. I fixed the fuel pipe, it's running, and I even got the Suzy running, my chopper, and I took it for a little ride as well. So everything is going well. All my vehicles are working. It's beautiful. Alright, let's get into the charts. Let's see what we had for the week. So here on the right side, this is Friday's movement so far. We're pushing up through Asia and London. We're pushing up. This was yesterday. This is where we took this beautiful sell in here. Then the day before that, what we had in here, we had a little buy in here, then we had a little sell in here. The market was playing tricks on me. This was Wednesday. Then on Tuesday, I got a loss in there as well. This sell position here, I didn't manage to take profits and ended up with a losing trade. And another one, this was pretty sad. And this one, okay, so let's start on Monday, guys. So this was Monday's movement, right? You saw the market was pushing down, and then it was pretty much just ranging like the whole day, and I couldn't stand watching it any longer, so I decided to close that trade before the session ended. And at the end I saw that we had a lovely push above the recent high from that day. This is where I could have closed everything. I was not patient enough. I closed this one like with a super small profit of like 1% in here. Could have been 3 or 4%, but I couldn't manage that. Anyways, then on the next day, guys, the market, we had some news events hitting the market. As you can see, it was gapping down, and boom, like getting some buys into the market and stop them all out, and then finally push higher. But I was interested in selling this thing, because I saw like this low in here, I saw this low in here, and I saw this kind of like equal lows, double bottom in here, and I was like if we start this week with a bullish move, like kind of a bullish move on Monday and a bullish move on Tuesday. So I was expecting like some kind of a reversal to the downside, you know. That's why I tried to sell on Tuesday in here. Unfortunately, I was in profit. I could have banked some profits, but I was aiming for just a little bit more, and then the market turned all the way down, all the way up against me, stopped me out. Then I took one more revenge trade, lost again, was not that nice, but then I stopped, okay. And then, yeah, as you can see, we were right with our sell projections, but we didn't have the right timing, right? So on the next day, what I tried to do, I tried to buy after we took out this this low in here. I was like, okay, we are probably going to reach maybe higher highs now, because yesterday it was moving pretty strong. So I was like, okay, maybe we just want to slash through these lows and then continue with moving to the upside. I didn't know that, I just didn't have the right timing, so I switched sides. I tried to buy, got stopped out, and then I tried to sell because I was like, okay, then maybe it wants to sell off, but then it was just stopping me out again. So yeah, it was pretty rough. So I took four losses in a row, guys. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. This was really disappointing, let's say it like that, okay. So I took 4 losses in a row, and yeah, didn't have beautiful movement at all. But on Wednesday we left this equal lows in here, and I was like, okay, Monday was kind of ranging, but it was going up. Tuesday it was going up as well. Then on Wednesday we started to move down and ended up ranging at the end, so it was a down day, and I was like, okay, probably Thursday, Friday we are going to see bearish movement, because if I have like to the beginning of the week, if the market is bullish, I told you in the last video, I would love to position myself on the bears at the midweek and end week. I always try the opposite of what is happening at the beginning of the week, okay? And yeah, yesterday I was like, okay, when this thing starts to move aggressively to the downside, I'm just going to hop in, because this double bottom in here, this equal lows, I saw a lot of orders sitting down below this one. So this was a pretty sure target for me, but I wanted to have Tuesday's lows as well. That's why I was sitting in that trade for so long. I got in here. Let me show you on a 1 minute time frame. So on a 1 minute time frame, you can see the market was pulling some buyers into the market, and then it got down pretty aggressively. I was like, all right, I saw this double bottom. I was like, okay, this thing is ready to pop. And I just jumped in, told everybody in Telegram I'm going to sell Nasdaq. I had my stop sitting above this one over here. So basically we have pulled a couple of buyers into the market, and then this thing turned around aggressively, and I hopped in, and yeah, as you can see, we were big in profit. I could have taken profits at around 17,950, somewhere in this area would be a beautiful profit target. But I wanted to see this thing drop to Tuesday's lows. This was my target. I was like, okay, if it hits, if it moves through this one, it probably has a lot of momentum to move through the other one as well. But man, it came all the way back. And then it was like ranging a little bit, then pulled some buyers into the market, and then finally we hit the profit target. But I couldn't stand to wait until it get hit, so I closed everything around in this area just after we took out these lows in here. As you can see, these lows, this is where I took profits. I closed everything, basically took a big profit on that trade, and yeah, finished the week with a profit. Okay, so on this trade, this was like I've risked around 600 pips, and I was able to bank 1,500, something like 1,500. It's more than a 2 to 1. 2.5 to 1 risk reward ratio, and yeah, this one trade made back all the losses plus a profit. And how I did this was pretty easy, guys. Some of you already know my dynamic risk strategy. For example, if I start with 1% risk and I lose it, on the next trade maybe I'm going to risk another 1%. If I lose this trade as well, on the next one, let's try it with 2% risk, why not? If I lose this one as well, maybe I'm going for 3 or 4% risk or 5% risk. And if I'm losing this as well, yeah, maybe I'm going to risk 7, 8%, maybe 9. And one of these things has to hit, you know. I mean, I would suggest you to not go further than like 5 steps. Like, you need a winner. Out of 5 trades, you definitely need a winner. Otherwise, you're gonna lose a lot of money with this kind of trading approach, okay? I'm using dynamic risk for nearly all my career, and it has burned some of my accounts, let me tell you like that. It has burned some of my accounts. But I saw value in it because risk equals opportunity. And if you are consistent with your trading approach, if you have a working trading strategy and you know that you are going to win like 50%, 60% of the time, then you can use something like that, you know. I mean, the only times when I lost my accounts was because I lost my mind. I started to take revenge trades. I started to risk way too much, like on one day. Like right now, I'm trading like 1 or 2 trades per day maximum, okay? But back in the days when it happened that I've lost my account, I was risking way more than just 1 or 2 trades. Sometimes I was trading like 5, 6 trades on a day because I was way too excited, you know. Especially in the beginning of your trading career, you feel like you have to be inside a trade like all the time. You're not patiently waiting for your setup. But if you understand that waiting for your setup really works well, and you're not going to face a lot of losing streaks over like 5, 6, 7 trades, and then you can use like a dynamic risk strategy, why not? I mean, if it works and if one winner gets you back on track in profit, then why not? You can use it, man. But yeah, just be careful with it. It can burn your account if you're not being careful with it. And yeah, just so you know, this is how I did it. I got back on track. I'm up 7% for this month. I'm happy with it. And yeah, we're gonna continue with the grind. I will keep you updated in my Telegram channel. If you're not inside yet, make sure to join. It's free, all right? Join the free Telegram channel. Drop me a private message. I'm happy to share a lot of valuable stuff with you. And yeah, let's get it cracking, man. I wish you a lovely day. I'm going to take my motocross bike for a ride today. We're gonna have some fun today in the forests, maybe. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Wish you a lovely day. Make sure to ring that notification bell so you stay updated about my trading journey. And yeah, that's it, guys. Have a lovely day. Stay healthy, wealthy, and that's it. Peace out. What you know.